What's up everyone, welcome to Mugen's World. Today we have an unboxing, the first unboxing on this channel, and we're just gonna get right up to it and open this for you guys. Boom, we got a brown box. Where's the box from? It is from End, UK store. What do we got inside the box though? There's another layer of tape. Inside the box, we got another box. This time, it is a Reebok box that also has End on it. Why does it also have End on it? Because it is a collab shoe. Now when we open it, the first thing we get is beautiful dust bag. I was not expecting this for this pair of shoes, so this is awesome. That's one of them. It feels alright. It definitely feels alright. We got another one. It's this like off-white color. Very nice. It looks like a little bit like sand, which goes with the shoe so well. Alright. Now these come individually wrapped like a sandwich, man. Alright, that's pretty funny. Now, let's open it up to unveil what we have right here. We have the End Reebok Club C. It looks fat because of everything going on in here. Or if I take this out, probably. Let's see. We got a sandy colored. It's better in that lighting. And then we got this lighting. We got a sandy clay looking Reebok Club C. We got leather right here. What do I have to say about the leather? It looks like embossed leather, like nothing special, but it does feel exceptionally thick. We got some good, the leather is extremely soft actually. Throughout the entire shoe, it feels like a premium quality. I wasn't really expecting too much from the shoe, but just the way it's come out. The quality control is not there. I can see some stitching right here already falling off. That's one of the shoes. Now let's look at the other side. It comes with a sizing chart. 12 USA, 11 UK, 45.5 European. Alright, cool. This pair seems to look a lot better. You can tell this was packed tight or something because the leather's coming pre-creased. The shoe is already creased, you know? You can tell just by looking at it, it's extremely creased. It kind of ruins it for me. I don't know, how do you guys feel about it? I actually entered a raffle by accident and I couldn't figure out how to get out of the raffle. And I automatically won. These didn't even sell out. That being said, the quality on it is amazing. I just wish it wasn't creased too much. I like the look of it in general. If you look at it from pretty far away, it looks hella nice. It reminds me of like a Cement 3 for some reason. Even though it's nowhere near the same thing, it just reminded me of it for a second. Good quality shoe. You got the End detailing on the heel right there. So that's pretty cool. You got this orange sole, which is sort of like gum, but sort of orangish at the same time. Again, the leather quality on the tongue is really thick. The other leather is very soft. You got it saying End over here throughout the side panel. Really cool shoe in my opinion. It was like $135 with everything included. Will I be rocking these? Yeah. Will I be rocking them often? I might actually just use them as a pair of beaters. I'm not sure. Didn't expect to get these shoes, got them. I'm not rich by any means, so I was trying to figure out a way to return it, but I decided to just go with it. And I'm kind of happy that I did because it's really good quality. I just need to see how it looks on foot, and I'll show you guys that right now.